How to manage devices on your TikTok app easy and quick. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to manage devices on TikTok app. So first thing, go to your TikTok app and here go to your profile and click on those three lines up there. Now click on setting and privacy and choose the option number 3, which is security and login. You're gonna find manage devices. Click on it. Wait for a second, and now this is where you logged in. This is gonna give you a list of where you logged in on your TikTok app, and this is how you find manage devices. Just go on security and log in on your setting privacy. So this is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful for you, and don't forget to subscribe and like.